Hello everyone, my name is Omkar TK. My course name is Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. I am studying in Murbad Center. Today I present here shop talk. Topic is bevel gear. Definition: bevel gear are the gears where the axis of two in shaft intersect the tooth bearing face of the gears themselves are conical shape. Pitch surface of the bevel gear is cone. Means one axis of the shaft is intersect to the another axis of shaft. When the one axis of bevel gear is transfer to motion to another gear of axis, the pitch surface of the bevel gear is conical in shape. Working principle for bevel gear. The basic working principle for bevel gear is uh, same of other types of gears. When two bevel gears are rotate motion, one gear to transfer to another gears, causing rotate to opposite directions. Types of bevel gears. First, straight bevel gears. Second, zero gear set. Third, spiral bevel gear set. Fourth, hybrid bevel gear set. And fifth, meter bevel gear set. This is a diagram for bevel gears. Applications: automotive transmissions, power tools, agricultural machineries, industrial machineries, and marine populations. Advantages: compact design, high efficiency, smooth operation, and adjustable angle. Disadvantages: complex manufacturing, higher frictions, limited load capacity, and high cost. Thank you.